Before we begin with our discussion, I want to ask you a few questions about Islamic education in Malaya in the past. Do you know that? What Islamic education in Malaya in the past? So it's okay, I will explain to you the meaning, and I will elaborate to you what is Islamic education in Malaya in the past. So basically, Islamic education in Malaya in the past is they are focused to shape the belief, values and identity in Malay Muslim community. They also not only focus on religion, they are focusing on build discipline, respect and a strong sense of community. They also develop into a formal system under national curriculum.
What is the historical development of Islamic education in Malaya in the past?
So, it's very easy. The historical development of Islamic education in Malaya in the past, they are created pondok school and surau for all the students there. They are studied Quran, Hadith and Fiqh, and also Arabic language with a Tok Guru. And the Tok Guru is a teacher, and basically the Tok Guru will guide them to learn a certain subject I have mentioned before. They also introduce madrasah. The impact of madrasah, it is a mixed religious subject with some academic ones like mathematics and writing. So I want to ask you some question. What is the major changes in Islamic education in the past and nowadays?
Okay. Over time, Islamic education underwent significant transformation. The introduction of British colonial policies brought formal schooling systems and administration reforms. Later, after Malaysia's independence, the government began integrating Islamic education into national curriculum. Several factors influenced this change, including modernization, urbanization, and state involvement, and global education trends. Islamic subjects were later standardized, examinations were introduced. As a result, Islamic education from informal to formal learning in Malaysia.
Can you compare the Islamic education in Malaya in the past and Islamic education in Malaya nowadays?
Sure. Here let me explain few key aspects in the past and the present Islamic education. First, we have curriculum. In the past, it focused mainly on Quran, Hadith and Arabic. But nowadays, the curriculum includes both religious and academic subjects such as science, ICT and language. And then for the teaching methods, before it was oral and informal, that the students need to memorize and repeat verses. But nowadays, the schools started to use textbook, group works and technology. And then for the role of teachers, back then, Tok Guru used to be spiritual leader and community figure. But today, the teachers are trained professionally and still carries the moral responsibilities. For the accessibilities, in the past, only those near Pondok school can access education. But nowadays, Islamic education is offered in almost every school and universities, even have Islamic studies faculties. Lastly, social impact. Earlier, Islamic education mainly produced ulama and village leaders, but today it produces more professionals who combine faith and moral skills.
What is your reflection on Islamic education in Malaya?
Okay. My reflection about this topic is Islamic studies can make us into a better person in societies, and it can help us to be a better person. What is your reflection in Islamic education of Malaya?
Personally, I really admire how Pondok School and Surau create a bond between teacher and student. It shows that knowledge can be connected between the teachers and students. And I hope that we can keep this in the future, so student can learn religious knowledge better with the Tok Guru or Ustad nowadays. So now, I would like to ask you, what is your reflection on Islamic education in Malaya?
I believe these historical changes have shaped Islamic education into a system that balances both religious and values and modern knowledge in current Malaysia.
Okay. So in conclusion, Islamic education in Malaya started with a simple but meaningful system like pondok and surau. But nowadays we can see that modern education was created. So we can see that Islamic school are everywhere. So that's a benefit for all the Muslims here. They can study well about the religion and study well not only about the religion but also focus on other matter. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.